الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The Honorable President, the Honorable Chief Guest, the Honorable Teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now while talking about our madrasa education system, the history is very glorious. The need for madrasa education Asfil Mayor Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Holy Quran who are revealed to him, subject of the teaching of the Quran, the Hadith, the duties, responsibilities of the two Muslims. The madrasa name is Darul Madrasa. It is a big madrasa. It has 80 plus students and 9 while 10 teachers. It has a teacher command room, student command room, fence lab, computer lab, library room, etc. Our madrasa is the best madrasa in our country. The result of our madrasa is very good. I am proud to reading madrasa. I can learn many things. And to begin person. So I personally request all guardians visit our madrasa and then admit your children in this madrasa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.